Hello, I'm Ederson Oliveira. I'll be presenting this video for DotNetNuke.com. In this video, I'll be showing how you can move pages around in your .NET Nuke website. And for this example, for this demonstration, what I have done is I have created a couple of test pages. I have created two top pages called 3.1 and 3.2. And under 3.1, I have branch 1 and branch 2. Under 3.2, I have branch 3 and branch 4. Not the most intuitive names, but it will do the job. Now, first thing is, let's log into the backend of the site, and I'm gonna log in as super user. You can log in as admin as well, no problem. To do that, it's enough to have admin level access. So, to move things around, to move pages around, the best place to do that is with the page module, which can be found under admin pages. So you can see here in this area all the pages on your website, including the admin pages as well. Now, as you can see at the top, we have 3.1 and then the branches below it, and then 3.2 and the branches below it. So very easily, let's say if we want to flip 3.1 to 3.2, I can click on it and I can use those controls here on the right side where it says move page. So I select the page that I want to move and then I will do the moving. The very first one will actually put this page at the very top. Let's click there. So as you can see, the page went all the way to the top. Now, the next, let me get it back to where it was. I will click the below button and it will move it back. Now, if I want by any chance to have what I want to do here is actually very simple. I just want to flip them. So if I select the page and I click the next button where it says move selected page up in current level. So it will just move one up. This one will go all the way up. The first one, the second one will move it just one page up. So if I click here, so it has flipped 3.1 by 3.2. Now, the next one is, of course, going back. So it will flip them back. It will, let's say, if I select 3.1 and I click the button one, the one pointing downwards, it will go one page downwards. Now, the next one is it will actually go all the way down in that level. So by selecting 3.2, what will happen is that 3.2 will come all the way down here. It will go even below admin. So if I click there, you'll see that it went all the way down. It's all the way right here. It just doesn't go after host, but it does go after admin. Now, there are also two additional buttons that we can make use of them. Let's get 3.2 back to where it belongs. Let's go all the way up and then go down 2 levels. 2 and oops, I have to select 2. So now they are on the same level. Those two buttons, one is to promote to an upper level, and the second one, the last one is to demote. Actually, one will, for example, if I want to make branch 1 the same level as 3 in home, what I would have to do is I have to select branch 1, and then I have to click this one, this arrow that points to the left. What this will do is this will move this page one level upwards. So let's click on it and give it a try. So now, as you can see, branch 1 went one level up, but it went all the way to the very bottom. That's fine. But now we can see it as in the same level as the top menu. Now I can put it back by going all the way up and then going below once, twice. Now, by being right here, right after 3, if I want to get branch 1 back under 3, what I have to do is I select branch 1 and then I click demote. This will actually demote one level, and it will put branch 1 right under the first up level above it. So in our case, we have 3.1. So if I select branch 1 and click the demote button, what will happen is that now it's back under 3.1, and I can click on it and I can flip it back, flip it with branch 2 just by clicking the up one. Now, this is basically how you can go about moving pages around using those controls under the page tab, under the move page options. Now, if you do need to move, let's say, branch 2 straight to 3.2, it can be very simple. Actually, you don't need to keep using those arrows. The other option that you have is, again, if we want to move branch 2 and now so it becomes a page under 3.2, we just have to select branch 2 and we can click in the edit button under actions. So let's click there. And now under the field that says parent page, I just have to select, instead of 3.1, I select 3.2, and the page will be moved straight under 3.2. So I have just moved it. So now we have 3 with 1 page below it and 3.2 with 3 pages below it. Now, for instance, if I want to move the entire 3.2 under 3.1, I can do that very easily from here. Actually, I can just select 3.2, and everything that is below it, that is inside of it, as part of its that has 3.2 as a parent, what I can do is I can either move it and demote 3.2 like this. So see what happened. 3.2 that was selected was demoted one level under 3.1. Now we have 3 levels here. We have 3.1, and then we have 3.2, and then we have all the different branches under 3.2. So that's the way you can go about moving pages around and demoting and promoting them. Now, one last thing. If I want to put this entire tree back to where it belongs, again, the good thing is that the entire tree goes together. So it's not just this page. Whatever I do here will impact the entire tree. So let's say if I move it up, the entire tree will go together because branch 3, 4, and 2, they do belong to 3.2. Now, I can also put 3.2 back up one level. Let me try to do that. So I put it back. It's back here. It went all the way down, and then I can go move it up. So it's up there, and I want to put it after 3.1. I just move it down 2 levels. Not 2 levels, but 2 pages. So that's it. Basically, this is how you can go about moving pages around. It took a little bit more time than what I thought initially, but this is very simple, and I think it can be quite useful if you have many pages that you need to manage and shuffle things around if required. Okay, thank you very much, and bye for now.